Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope so that you guys are well in this pandemic situation. My college name is Aeronautical College of Aviation Science and Management, and I'm from Anglican. And we guys know that on 23rd January and even going to held in our college. It's a science project. Our group name is ISHFA and our project name is RCA Fighter Aircraft MiG-29. The MiG-29 is a twin-jet engine aircraft designed in Soviet Union. This RC aircraft reinforced the children's dreams of becoming pilot. We have chosen RC aircraft as our project because we know that RC aircraft attracts everyone, especially the children. Scientific, government and military organizations are also using RC aircraft for experiments, gathering riggings and aerodynamic model and testing. Now I am going to give a brief description about my project. My project is RC fighter aircraft MiG-29, so we know that a radio controlled aircraft is often called as RC plane or RC aircraft. If the first truly successful RC aircraft was Big Job, made by good brother Walk and Build. It was produced in 1938. This is my aircraft. I have made this MiG-29 by helping with my group members, Shaful Islam Siam and Habiba Priyam. So currently they are not present here because in my presentation I have to talk alone. So I am going to tell you about the component I have used in my aircraft. So basically for the fuselage, and basically saying for this main body we have used Gapron. So Gapron is a lightweight body paper, so we can easily use this for our aircraft. So it will not break down, and as it is so lightweight, it can fly easily. In our aircraft we have used 1450 kilovolt motor, and for our propeller we have used a 8-inch propeller. Here you guys can see, like, I don't know if you guys can propeller understand it is that it is a 8-inch propeller. And in this part I am going to show you that which component we have used basically for our aircraft. So in our aircraft we have used a battery. Our battery's power is 1500, and we have used a ESC, and this is our ESC. It's 30 ampere ESC, and we have servos. We have servos for our elevator. Like, see, this is our servo, and we have a connection for it from there to here, and it will control our elevator. This is our elevator, and it will control by the servo. And at last we have used landing gear. Landing gear will help us for landing and takeoff. Basically we all know about that. And here is we have also used a receiver. This is our receiver. We have used this receiver for our aircraft. In this receiver we are going to put in third channel our motor, and in 1 and 2 channel we will put the servo of our aircraft, and it will control our elevator. Now, as we know, we are making an RC aircraft. Definitely our aircraft will fly with the help of remote, and our remote will work as a transmitter. Basically the work of transmitter is transmit signal. So when the transmitter will transmit the signal, our receiver will receive the signals, and then the information we will give to the aircraft. Then the aircraft will fly according to our direction. We will input the direction manually. For taking off, we have to increase our throttle gradually, and at the same time we have to take up our elevator. Here is our elevator, and we have to take up the elevator. And when we will do doing these functions at the same time, then our aircraft will lift up from the ground smoothly, and it will take off smoothly. And for turning, as we are not using our rudder, so we have to create bank angle for our turn. Without creating bank angle, we can turn our aircraft. So it is clear that for turning MiG-29 we have to create bank angle, and when we are going to land we have to constantly reduce our throttle, and at the same time we have to take up the nose of our aircraft so that it can land easily. So it was the function of MiG-29, and In the components I have described earlier, and I have already given my brief description of my project. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you everyone for giving me the great opportunity of representing my team. Thank you.